What's up guys, Tony with iTech Check, and it's time for another giveaway. And this giveaway is sponsored by Raigen. Raigen? Is it Raigen? Raigen? This giveaway is sponsored by Raigen. Now, 2 of you lucky winners will win one of these wireless chargers. And I'm not going to lie to you, I took a little sneak peek inside the box, and these chargers are pretty sweet. So you're going to want to enter to win. So stay tuned until after the unboxing and the review, and I'll tell you exactly how to enter to win. Okay guys, so here's both the X19 models. One is the charcoal, one is black. I assure you, even though the picture does show the charcoal, there is 2 different colors that you'll see. These are really nice wireless chargers. So let's take a look at the specs real quick. So the outputs that this can do are 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts. The 5 watts is pretty much for all your wireless Qi devices that don't use the quick charging. The 7.5 is for your iPhones, such as the iPhone 10. And the 10 watts is for like your Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy devices that can use the quick charge. It comes with a quick charge 3.0 wall charger, and I believe it's a micro USB cable. The efficiency is either equal to or greater, 83%. That's pretty good. I haven't seen a lot that do any more than that. It has a little LED on it, lights up red or blue, one indicating the charging at 5 volts and the blue light indicating the charging at 9 volts. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. So here is the wall adapter. It's pretty nice. It's got that, I like that gray and the green. And there you go, 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. Nice and small. And then you get your little manual at the bottom here. And there's your manual. That's pretty much it for inside the box. And here is your charger. It's made of aluminum on the base. It's got a rubbery little stopper here, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your phone. And then this is like a fabric. It's pretty nice. And it has dual coils in it, so if you want to either landscape or portrait mode your phone, you can. The USB does not come out. It is attached to the device itself. And I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to buy these yourself. And if you like my channel and you want to support me, please use that link to buy these and anything else on Amazon, because it definitely helps me keep making videos for you guys. I think this is probably my personal favorite. Got your wall adapter and then the charger. And the base on this one is black too. Everything is all black. Very nice. So it has it looks like it has an LED on each side. One of the really nice things about this LED is it only comes on for a brief moment to let you know what the phone is charging at, and then it turns off so it won't disturb you at night. And there's that fabric. It's nice and soft, so you don't have to worry about, scratching up the back of your phone. And like I said, these do have dual coils, so you can either lay your phone down or stand it up in portrait mode. And these do have short circuit, overheat, and overcharge protection, so it doesn't damage your phone. You can use these with cases on your phone up to 8 millimeters thick. You want to make sure that they don't have any magnetic, pieces in them, or they're metal, because that will keep the wireless charging from working. I'm currently using Rinky's Fusion X cases on my iPhone and my Galaxy S10 Plus, and they work just fine, as you'll see. So let's go ahead and plug these in and see what they can do. Okay guys, so I kind of wanted to just give you an idea of what this wireless charger is charging at. So I currently have the iPhone XR wall charger that came with the phone plugged in right now. And I also had the Raigen Quick Charge 3.0 charger plugged in. So this Apple charger is giving 5 volts. Now when I plug this into the iPhone, you'll see how many watts and amps that it takes. So it's plugged in right now. As you can see, it's getting almost 5 volts, almost 1 amp, which the charger that's all it's capable of doing. and it's doing about almost 5 watts. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the wireless charger and we'll see if that changes. Okay, so now you can see I have the Raigen quick charge wall adapter plugged into my USB voltmeter. As you can see, it's already supplying 9 volts. As soon as I put the phone on here, you'll see the amperage and wattage jump up as well. So like I said before, the Apple charger that came with the phone was only supplying 5 volts. This one's already doing 9, so we'll go ahead and put the phone on here. As you can see, I do have that Rinky Fusion X case on here as well. Okay, it is charging. So as you can see, the phone is charging and the wireless charger is supplying 9 volts, about 1 amp, and pretty much 8 watts. Now it stated it was only 7.5 watts, so it's doing more than that. It's actually creeping up at times a little more than 8. So that's pretty good that it's actually supplying a little more than it was stated. Okay, so as you can see, we still have the wireless charger plugged into my USB voltmeter, and it is plugged into the Raigen Quick Charge 3.0 wall adapter. So now I'm going to show you what it does with my Galaxy S10 Plus. So here you have it right here. We are at 27% right now. Let's go ahead and put this on the charger. As you can see, it's fast charging, and it's going to take about 2 hours and 5 minutes to totally charge to 100%. Now this case also does have the Rinky Fusion X case on it. It's not that thick, works great, still wirelessly charging. As you can see, it's supplying about 9 volts, 1.2 amps at 11 watts. Not bad at all. And like I said, this also does in landscape mode. As you can see, it's fast charging. So you can have it in both orientations. You can have it laying down like this in case you want to watch a movie, or you can have it upright like if you're sitting at your desk or something.
Okay guys, so here's the charger. It is connected to its wall adapter right now. Here's my Galaxy S10 Plus. We're at 10% right now. We're going to see how long it takes to get up to 50% and then charge the rest of the way to 100%. So as you can see, we're fast charging, and it's going to take about 2 hours and 33 minutes to fully charge to 100%. So we'll come back at 50. Okay guys, so here we are at 55%, and it's 10:08, and we have about an hour and 18 minutes left until supposedly it gets to 100%. So let's go ahead and let it charge up, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay guys, so here we are, it's 11:33, the phone is fully charged. So that took about 2.5 hours, and the phone pretty much determined that it would take 2.5 hours to fully charge, so that's pretty good.
Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone XR. As you can see, it is at 10% battery. We're going to go ahead and charge it up to 50% and 100% and see how long that takes. Right now it is 12:19. Okay guys, so here we are. It is 1:11 and we're 50% charged. So let's go ahead and let it charge up the rest of the way to 100%. Okay guys, so here we are. The iPhone just got up to 100%. It's now 3 o'clock. It just took a little under 3 hours for the phone to charge from 10% all the way up to 100%. So that's pretty much it for the Raigen X19 wireless charger. Now if you watched the whole video, you know these are really sweet. And as I said before, 2 of you lucky winners will be winning one of these. I will be announcing the winner this Thursday. All you have to do to enter is drop me a comment letting me know why you should win one of these. Little tip, the funnier, the better. And don't forget to subscribe to let you know when I put out that new video to announce the contest winners. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.